It's come to my attention that there's been a few people who have had issues mounting the belts into the belt clips. So I figured I'd do a quick video on how to accomplish that. The first step is going to be to loop the belt over like this. You're going to probably have about 10 or 12 teeth interconnected. This particular clip works because the belt clips interconnect with each other. It keeps them from sliding back. So you're just going to bend it like this, and then you grip it right up near the top and tuck it down into the slot. At this point, you're going to grab the back of the belt and hold firmly on the front of the clip and push inward. You can kind of see how the hole opens up as you push. And the other thing that's going to be very helpful is to have an Allen driver with a flat end on it. A ball end will not work very well with this. So we've pushed that forward, and you're going to just sit there and put that in, and you kind of rock it a little bit and then start turning it down. And there are a little bit of threads in the bottom of the clip. There's not a lot, so don't turn it real hard. It doesn't have to be in hard, but you want the button head flush with the top of the clip. And at that point, you can see the belt is not going anywhere. So that's the installation method for the belt clips from Mandala Roseworks.